Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to MIT. Today we are going to solve a question of Mechanics 1. The question belongs to the paper 970943, paper 43, session May June 24. So let's go through the question. The question says a van of mass 4500 kg is towing a trailer of mass 750 kg down a straight hill, inclined at an angle of theta to the horizontal, where sin theta is equal to 0.05. The van and the trailer are connected by a light rigid tow bar which is parallel to the road. There are constant resistance forces of 2500 Newton on the van and 300 Newton on the trailer. It is given that the tension in the bar is 450 Newton. Find the acceleration of the trailer and the driving force of the van's engine. So first of all, we will have to decide whether the van is going up or down. The clue word is here. Actually, it is towing down the straight hill. That means our figure will look like this. It is going down and our angle is theta. Suppose this one is the van and it is going down, okay, and at the same time there is tension, I mean it is pulling the trailer. Now what are the more information we do have? They have given sin theta is equal to zero point 0.05 and the resistance forces are also given. So we can start with the equation of Newton's law. So we know the most widely used second law of Newton is driving force minus resistance force is equivalent to the mass into acceleration. Now let's say there are two objects. One is van, the other one is trailer. Which one will be done first of all? Let's start with the trailer because already tension in the tow bar is given. So we can start with the trailer. Trailer for trailer for trailer. Well, driving force minus resistance force is equal to ma. Now let's see what is the driving force for the trailer. Actually the trailer is being pulled down by the van. That's why the tension will be the driving force. Tension. Then one more force is contributing to the driving force, which is weight. So weight of the, I mean mass or weight of the trailer is 750. It's given 750. So 750 into 10 sine theta. Sine theta. These two are the driving forces. Now let's find what are the resistance forces. One resistance force is already given, which is 300 Newton. So 300 Newton on the trailer, and there is no more resistance force acting over this. So equal to our mass is 750. So 750 A, 750 and A, 750 A. Let's see what it becomes. Tension is given what 450 Newton. So 450 450 plus 750 into our sin theta. Value of sin theta is given 0.05, 0.05 minus 300 equal to equal to let me write it once again, 750 A, 750 A. Let's move on to the lower part of the solution. Well, so if we subtract 300 from 450, it is going to be 150 plus 750, I mean 700, 7500 into 0.05 over 750 equal to our acceleration. Okay, now if we use our calculator, then we will get a is equal to, our acceleration is equal to 150. Let me do this through calculator. You can use the calculator to find the result. It is going to be 150 plus 750 is 7,500 into 0.05 over 750 equal to point 7 meter per second square. So we have already got the acceleration. Our acceleration is uh, 0.7 meter per second. So let's move on to the next part of the question. Next part of the question, actually they told us to find the acceleration. Acceleration we have got acceleration. Now we will have to find the driving force of the van's engine. So we will apply the same formula. The driving force, this is for the van, for van, for van. The same Newton's law, driving force minus resistance force is equal to ma. So let's see what is the driving force for the van. If we go back to the figure, we will find that driving force is actually weight as well as, only weight is the driving force here. There is no more force pulling it down. So we will write driving force means weight. Weight of the van is, so driving force, okay, plus weight is contributing as pulling force. So weight is given 4500 because mass is 4500. So 45,000 sine theta, these two are acting as driving force. Then we will find the resistance forces. So first resistance force is given as 200. Let me see here, resistance force is 2500 Newton. So we are going to subtract this 2500 Newton, 2500. Then we will find another driving force which is tension. Tension is T, okay, equal to, our right side is mass is 4500 into acceleration. Well, now our driving force is missing. If we apply the value of sine theta is equal to zero point 0.05. We have already used the same value. Then minus 2500 minus tension. Tension is 450. Already we have applied 450 equal to 45,000, 4500 into acceleration is also known to us. We have already obtained acceleration is point 0.7. Let's write the next step. Driving force is equal to, what can we do here? We can subtract 4500 into 0.05 equal minus 2500 plus 450, that is 2950 equal to 4500 zero zero, sorry, 4500 into point 7. Let's move on to the next step. Or our driving force is going to be, driving force is equal to 2950 will be positive, 2950 will be positive, minus 4500 into point zero 0.05, it will be negative, plus already there was 4500 into point 7. Now if we use our calculator, then we will get our driving force will be ultimately, let me do this calculation, 2950 minus 4500 into point zero 0.05 plus 4500 into point 0.7. Yes, our driving force is 3850 Newton. So that is our result. The driving force of the van is 3850 Newton, and previously we obtained point acceleration is point 0.7 meter per second. So we have obtained both the answers. That's all about the solution. Thank you for watching. We will talk about the next question in the next video, inshallah. So fi amanillah.